In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform the voltage transformer, PT or CVT, secondary winding resistance test. After powering on the device, entering the required transformer details through the Manager section, we proceed to set up the test parameters. For this, navigate to the Voltage Transformer Test menu and select the Secondary Winding Resistance Test option. From the phase and winding sections, specify the phase and secondary winding under test. Then, set up the output channel. You can inject either DC current, ranging from 0 to 10 amps, or DC voltage, between 0 and 110 volts. If you're injecting current, enter the desired value. For voltage, specify the test voltage and the maximum current allowed. If the current exceeds the maximum, the test will stop automatically for safety. Next, set the acceptable deviation to ensure the core reaches saturation, allowing only the DC resistance to be measured accurately. Also, you can choose the conductor material, copper or aluminum, and enter the winding temperature along with the reference temperature. These values allow the software to calculate the correction factor automatically, so your results can be compared with previous or reference tests. This test is conducted using the 260 volts DC output of the device. Due to the low resistance of the secondary winding, the test utilizes the 4-wire method, with one pair of leads for current injection and another pair for voltage measurement. If voltage is applied to the winding, the test circuit should be set up as shown in the wiring diagram. During this test, ensure that the burden connected to the secondary winding of the voltage transformer is disconnected. Once the test settings are complete, click the Run icon. After the test, the final results will include details such as the tested phase, secondary winding under test, the injected current, the resistance at the current temperature, the corrected resistance at the reference temperature, and the deviation value. Important tips. If the deviation stays high or the resistance seems too high, check the wiring. Loose connections or improperly tightened screws could be the issue.